Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile world of the 4 storage bins with lids, a must-have for anyone looking to maximize their storage space efficiently. These 23-gallon collapsible bins are not only stackable but also come with built-in wheels, making them incredibly easy to move around your home, office, or dorm. Crafted from durable PP material, each bin features dual access points, allowing you to lift the top lid for bulky items or use the front door for quick access to frequently needed essentials. Whether you're organizing your bathroom, kitchen, or garage, these multifunctional storage solutions are perfect for keeping everything from dog food to laundry neatly tucked away. Plus, their easy foldable design means they snap together in just 30 seconds and can be conveniently stored under your bed when not in use. With a remarkable capacity of 23 gallons and the ability to support up to 155 pounds, these bins are designed with handles for easy lifting and maneuvering, making them an ideal choice for anyone looking to maintain a tidy and organized living space. So, if you're ready to transform your cluttered areas into organized havens, these storage bins are your go-to solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.